Look what has arrived. I am so excited. So, hey, plant people, I hope your day is awesome. And we're going to do an unboxing of this here just shortly. Super excited. So, here's what the box looks like. It came FedEx. It has holes in it, nice little carry handles on it. So, I don't remember exactly what I ordered, but we're going to open this and we're going to find out. I do remember I ordered some Supertunias. Oh, and okay, here's the top. Each box, it's like each plant is separated. And it's gonna come out. Oh, there's that little note in there. Oh, it's in a bag. This is Sweet Caroline, Sweetheart Lime, Sweet Potato Vine. Ooh, kind of messy there. Oh, looks good. Super excited for that. It'll be I usually get the black one, so this is going to be really cool. And I got this to go with one of the flowers that I have in there for contrast. So, and this is 6 to 16 inches, full to part sun. Of course, it trails. It's hardy. It's not hardy here, but it's hardy in zones 11A and 11B down to 45 degrees. So once it starts hitting 50 degrees here, I can put this outside. Okay. Airbag. Those little side things that I called handles are to help hold the plant in. Oh, Silver Falls Dichondra. Oh, so this is a little messy. I'm wondering if this maybe got turned over or something. A lot of dirt coming out. They're dry. They're really dry, so they're going to need watered. Full to part sun, 2 to 6 inches. Well, if you've ever had this before, then you know that it gets way longer than 6 inches. I mean, mine last year was at least that long, if not longer. Little bit of couple little brown leaves on here. But it'll straighten right up. It looks pretty good. Let's see what else. These are it's a space 18 inches, a max of 24. Of course, I like to put these in a pot. Grown for the foliage. Zones annual, except in zones 9A to 11B, it's hardy down to 30 degrees. So it could go outside a lot sooner than the sweet potato vine. Normal watering, full to part sun. So Silver Falls Dichondra. Oh, here's a book. The Gardener's Idea Book. Oh my. Ooh. We got pictures. Hello, sunshine. Pot recipes. I think, is that what that is? Yes, pot recipes. A planter, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I'm so excited for summer. Look at all that color. So that'll give me something to look through. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, another airbag. Okay, take take out the divider. This is probably the packing list. Yes. So it comes with a packing list. There's a divider in a box. More dirt. So I'm pretty sure this must have got turned over or something. Okay, I need to cut this one. This is a Supertunia, Bordeaux, I believe. Oh, I wish you could, there. See, there's a lot of dirt. Oh, okay, dirt, dirt, dirt. Look how nice that plant looks. Real healthy. So, fold apart sun, 6 to 12 inches. I don't know where they get these sizes. So, there's the picture of what it would be. I love this. I had this last year. I absolutely love this plant. I'll have to get it. You know how the petunias are a little sticky, so I'll get a little paintbrush. And let me get that real quick. I use a paintbrush. I use this a lot when I'm repotting my succulents. Let me just do this. Clean it up a little bit. But I can do that a little bit more later because I want to see the rest of the plants. So there's that. Oh, I didn't read all this stuff. Let's see. Annual acceptance zones 10A and 11B. Harding down to 30, so it can go out quicker than the sweet potato vine. Normal watering, fold apart sun. Deadheading not necessary. That's always good. Drought tolerant and easy to care for. So, proven winners. Supertunia Bordeaux. This is the same. I got 2 of these. And I got 2 of the other Supertunia. Ooh. Yeah, these must have got turned over in shipping. But the plants aren't damaged, so that's good. So it was packed very well. Yes. These folks, they have blooms. They're not fully bloomed, but they're gonna bloom soon. Okay. Ow, I gotta pull these tabs out. Push the tabs out. Okay. This is another Supertunia. I forget which one this is. I've not had this, so see what I mean by the plant must have got tipped over because there's dirt inside here. Good thing I put a table under here. I can't see me. I'm just trying to pull this off. Oh, Supertunia Picasso in purple. I am excited to see this one. It's 2 different colors. The bloom is good shape. It's not broken. Oh, there's a little tiny from the edge. That's okay. We can clean that up. And these aren't budded as much as the Bordeaux. Oh, so I'm here. I'm giving it away. Picasso in purple. Isn't that cool looking? So I think to me right now on the tag it looks a little more pink compared to, I call this purple. See the difference? So I don't know how this one will actually look. I guess maybe it could be a light purple and that Bordeaux is a dark purple. Oh, exciting. So exciting. Ooh, petunias. You know how petunias smell. And the last one is the same. So I have places picked out for these already. they can't go. I'll have to put these under the lights here in the house until it quits being under 30 outside. I can put these out in my hoop house once the night temperatures start getting a little better. But I mean, look at those plants, look very healthy, really healthy. So there we go. I'm going to show you the mess I made. Get my hand out of the way. So good thing I had the table down here. So anyhow, here they are. They look really, really good. So my plan is to use the sweet potato vine with these and with the Picasso, since it has that limey green there on the edge, and then I'll pair this with that. I don't know why I didn't get two of them. I don't know. I may have to order another one or hopefully pick one up at Lowe's or somewhere. So anyhow, that's my plant haul. Super excited. And I can't wait. I can't wait for summer. So I hope you have the most awesome day. Thanks for watching. Bye.